This Century 21 Prestige Realty property video is presented by Malene Cuizon and Janice Johnson. This 3 bedrooms 2 bath home is sitting on large flat lot with deck. This home boasts high ceilings in the living area, corner fireplace, split floor plan, dining/kitchen combo, tray ceiling in the master's bedroom and just minutes from Little Rock Air Force Base. Home is in good condition and ready for a new owner. Schedule your showing today. For more information, review the details below.